How to move jobs to another pipeline. Moving jobs between pipelines helps keep workflows organized by transitioning clients through different stages of your process while retaining all linked notes, proposals, and other essential data. The example I will use in this video will be moving a job from a prospect pipeline into a 1040 tax return pipeline. Here you can see the prospect pipeline that I mentioned. All jobs in this pipeline are for leads and prospects. There are several jobs here, and naturally, they all have some additional information linked to them, such as comments on linked notes. My lead generation process includes a discovery call and a proposal, so I've set them up as 2 stages. To move a job, I can open one by clicking on it and then selecting which pipeline I want to move it to in this field. Alternatively, I can also select it by ticking the box on it. This can be done for multiple jobs, which will then allow you to move them in bulk when you click on the move. After clicking it, I will select my 1040 tax return pipeline, and then also select the stage that I want to place them in. It will show me the automations, which are about to be triggered for these clients. If I want to uncheck any of them, I can do so right here, and then click on Move. Here you can see my 1040 pipeline. You can spot the jobs that I just moved from the prospects pipeline. If I open any one of them, I can still see all the comments and linked elements from the previous pipeline, and they will remain here as the job progresses through the stages.